Coins have what is called inherent value. That applies to the value of the metal they're made of, and they're ideal for exchanging. But when you have to pay a large sum of money, coins are impractical. That's why, long ago, the Chinese had an idea. They distributed paper money as a kind of receipt for a certain number of coins. In Europe, paper money only appeared in the 17th century. At first, these notes were only a kind of substitute for coins. This heavy Swedish copper slab weighed 20 kilograms. It was totally impractical for daily use. That's why the value of this metal was transferred to paper. The so-called letter of credit was the first European banknote. It was a type of receipt. The letter proved that the value of the coins actually existed. Introducing the banknotes turned out to be problematic. Many people distrusted the paper money. After all, paper on its own was worth nothing. Accepting a letter of credit was a matter of trust, because the actual value couldn't be checked right away. But gradually, paper money started to catch on. It was far more comfortable to use when paying large sums.